Okay, rolling. Hi, hello everyone and welcome back to another vlog. Today we are going to the private island which is situated in Marble Beach Road, Sinnamilla, Chennai, aka SPC, everybody known as. So we are going to see that private island, how it looks like. Let's go dig it out.
I'm alone, I'm a broken home. I gave you all the bricks that I own and know. I'm letting go, I'm breaking these walls down, breaking these walls down. If you want adventure, then fly to home. But if you wanna travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know? Yeah, if you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go.
Guys, let's go and check it out. How is that island looks like? Okay guys, we are traveling to our destination, to the private island with our little BMW, you know that, how do you call that, that C BMW, you know, not exactly BMW, it looks like an Audi, you know, that one of my, my cameraman, you know, he's so working so hard with that BMW and so you see that another, that main driver of that BMW, he's also working so hard, and some kind of fishermen are going to catching some fishes, and we just, so this is the ride of BMW inside the sea, and not inside the sea, on top of that sea. So our destination that we are going for. It's our destination. Okay. That's our destination that we are going for. Just travel on our way. That's my cameraman. That's my personal cameraman. You know. Hi!
If you want adventure, then fly to home. But if you wanna travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know? Yeah, if you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go. If you want adventure, then fly to home. But if you wanna travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know? Yeah, if you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go.
Yeah, that's my driver getting angry. I'm gonna see you guys in the other side. Peace out.
I'm alone, I'm a broken home. I gave you all the bricks that I own and know. I'm letting go, I'm breaking these walls down, breaking these walls down. If you wanted adventure, then thought of home.
Okay guys, finally we reach our destination after so many struggle in the sea. Finally, however, we just reached our destination, and I'm just let's just dig it out what is inside. The civilians told me that there's a rock. It looks like an island, so we just check it out what it looks like. I'm so excited to look like. Let's go. Come on.
I fell where my demons dwell. My own little nightmare, I call it hell. Oh well, it's time to get back up. Climbing and climbing, I'm done with this ride, is what I tell myself, so I could feel something else. Yeah, I guess I had my bad days, but it doesn't mean I lost myself. Darling, where were you when my heart was on the ground? I thought time would prove that you would stick around. I guess time stood still, a king without his crown. Now I'm breaking and you're faking, girl. You never made a sound. I'm tired of the pain. Go away.
Guys, check out my cameraman following me with so much difficulties. And okay guys, finally we reached it. Not that much bad, but actually quite nice actually. I like this view, you know. The view is so amazing. But the point is, two of my friends getting angry with me because of my stupid things, you know. I did so many stupid things today. They get so much angry. So, but we haven't seen that the rock looks like an island. He just told us that one of my friends told me that the rock looks like an island, but we haven't seen it yet. Let's go and see how it looks like. If it's not looks like an island, definitely I'm gonna kill this guy, you know. I get so mad at him. Let's go check it out how it looks like. Okay, come on. See you around. Guys, check this out. Some kind of diesel I just found here. Do you guys know what kind of thing is this? Because I didn't know what is that, but it looks like some kind of sticky, you know. Let's check it out what is it. But it's moving. I didn't know what's the name of this. If anyone know what's the name of this, you guys please comment down below what's that, okay? I didn't know what kind of thing though. But it looks nice, you know. Oh, it's so sticky on my hand. But we don't need this at this time. We just to throw it away in the sea. Come on, we just go and check that. Like I said before, we just go and check that. The rock. Sorry, the rock looks like an island. Come on. Fuck yeah. Guys, we found a table over here. We are going to eat our lunch here, but unfortunately we didn't bring our lunch. We planned to catch some fishes, but we didn't prepare it, didn't have fishing wire at the same time. I don't want to waste my time over here. Let's go and check that rock. Where is it situated? Come on. Okay guys, like I said, we are going to see that rock which looks like an island that one of my friends told us. Let's go check it out how it is.
I fell where my my demons dwell. My own little nightmare, I call it hell. Oh well, it's time to get back up, climbing and climbing. I'm done with this ride, is what I tell myself, so I could feel something else. Yeah, I guess I had my bad days, but it doesn't mean I lost myself. Darling, where were you when my heart was on the ground?
This is not the rock that we are going to see. Actually fake one. I'm gonna show you the real one. Come on. Don't. Whatever.
I'm breaking, you're faking, girl. You never made a sound. Oh, wait, I'm tired of the pain. Go away. I'm doing yesterday.
Okay guys, finally reached our destination. We've seen the rock, but actually it's not look like an island. That guy, that lady lying to us. Do you think is wrong? Is this look like an island? No. How does this look like? It looks like zombie island. I'm so sorry about this guy, because that one of my friends, he just lied to me. This rock looks like an island, he just told us, but after we saw that, it just looks like, how? It looks like a beak of a parrot, you know. We just fooled by that guy, but it's kind of disappointed, but it's okay. We just see that nice view over there. So I hope you guys enjoy this, but comment down below how it looks like. Okay, we just fooled by that guy. Okay guys, that's it for today. I'm just kind of disappointed about this rock, you know. It's totally failed out, but hope you guys enjoy this vlog for today. But it's okay, this view of this island is kind of nice actually. Hope you guys enjoy this vlog, and okay guys, that's it for today. I'm gonna see you guys in the next vlog. Hope you guys enjoy it, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn the notification on. I'm gonna see you guys in the next vlog. Peace out.